So I'm actually going to be doing a unboxing of a Versace something. So if you want to see what it is, just keep watching.
Someone always finds the dirt and airs out the laundry. That's why any and everything I've ever done, I'd rather you ask me. Why not get it straight from the source? And again, truth be told, it probably wouldn't be juicy enough. So they go sell the crazy stories. They were just so...
Hi everybody, I'm back for another video. Earlier today, I spent a good portion of the day cooking. So I figure it's about time for me to do something for myself now. I mean, not that the food wasn't for me, because I'm definitely gonna eat it and enjoy it. But just for me to do something just for myself. So with that being said, I actually got this. I ordered this one day last week. So I'm actually gonna be doing a unboxing of a Versace something. So if you wanna see what it is, just keep watching. All right, so this is pretty much just the order receipt right here. Nothing special. Got a card. And I wanted to actually open up the actual cardboard box when it arrived. However, due to circumstances with the virus and everything, my mom actually ended up opening up the cardboard box. So I didn't actually get to officially unbox this, but I'm gonna actually unbox the item now. And this, to be honest, this has a little bit of weight to it. I cannot wait to see it. So anyway, this is like a little card. And it has this. Well, it's just a little envelope. It has a card inside of it. So it just has like the Medusa head there, and then just the name on the back. And it basically just says, "Thank you for shopping at Versace.com. We're delighted that you're a part of the world of Versace." So just a simple thank you card just for purchasing. So that's that. Hold on. Okay, so this is basically like Versace tissue paper that it's wrapped in. And then it's got this little sticker with the Medusa head on it. You can never really tear tissue paper nicely, but it did pretty good, just that one tear. So let's find out. Awesome. Okay, so this has another card inside the box. So I'm just gonna open this and see what it says. It might just be another thank you card. No. Okay, so okay. Yeah, dear customer, thank you for choosing and buying a Versace product. And then it just goes on to tell you how the product was made, or what it's made out of. So that, and then there's just a tag that's associated with it. It's got an RFID on it. I'm just gonna put this back in here. Oh, hold on. Okay, so that is done. I'm just gonna put that here. All right, so I'm gonna put this away, and then finally we get to the actual box. But yeah, so now we finally get to the box. I'm really excited for it. Okay, so it's another box inside of the box. Kind of reminds me of those dolls. I can't remember what they're called, but you know those dolls where they just keep getting smaller. You take one off and then it gets smaller, and then you take that one off and then that one's smaller than the previous one. Makes me feel like that. Just keep opening up boxes, right? And so here is the reveal. I'm silly. All right, so let's take this out. And I kind of don't want to take it out, but I'll take it out so you all can see it at least. So this is the necklace that I bought last week, and it just arrived a couple of days ago, but I wanted to wait and unbox it closer to my birthday. So that is so pretty. I guess I gotta dress up now, but okay. So yeah, that's it right there. I love it. And honestly, I really like it because you know how you get jewelry sometimes and you can automatically tell it's cheap. Like earlier last week, I was shooting a video and I was doing a video, and there were some earrings that I was gonna put on for the video, but I could clearly tell the difference in the quality of those earrings just based on, like, they were hoops, so I could just tell based on the piece that goes through your ear. I could tell that it wasn't the best quality, which it wasn't, because I bought it from, I can't remember if I bought those, exactly where I bought those earrings from, but it wasn't from, it was like maybe some Claire's earrings. Like, you know how sometimes Claire's or like Icings will sell you a pair of earrings, so you get like a pair of 5 or something for X amount of dollars, but it's really not a lot. It was kind of like that. And so I could definitely tell the difference when I put those in my ear, and then they wouldn't stay in. So I put it in, and then I do nothing, and then it just falls straight out my ear, and I'm like, okay, well, I guess I won't be wearing those again. But I tried to wear them for one of my videos last week. But anyway, I just want to say, like, this is actually, I mean, it has a little, I mean, granted, there was weight to the box because there are like several boxes inside of here. But the actual jewelry, the actual necklace itself actually feels like, it feels sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And so I really, really like the quality just based on what I've seen. But, you know, once you start wearing things, you kind of get to see how long they last as far as wear and tear. But if anybody else has like any Versace jewelry and they have any comments, or if they have any reviews or suggestions on how to take care of it, I mean, I assume I don't have to do anything special, but at the same time, I mean, it's not the cheapest piece. So if you all have like any tips to maintain its quality and just to maintain its appearance, just let me know in the comments below. And so, because I really want this to be an investment and not just like something I bought just to have and then I don't take care of it. Anyway, I want it to be an investment piece. I want it to be something that I take very good care of, and that it lasts me for a long time. So anyway, just leave comments below if you've bought anything that was any Versace jewelry and you have any tips. So any tips and or tricks to keep it nice and fresh looking and like you just bought it. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this just because today has been pretty much crazy, because I finished cooking and now I have clothes that are dry that I need to fold. So I just want to take a quick break and actually just do something for myself today. And so I just hope that you all are having a good day. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but let me know if there's anything else that you all want to see, and we'll go from there. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe, and I will talk to you all later.